committed ourselves to supporting the Department of Electricity and Energy and other players within the energy sector to sort of mainstream gender, and not only as a tick box exercise, but also something that is used as a way to transform the energy sector. So this support that we're giving to NERSA and other institutions is guided by the WEGE strategy. And what we want to do is just to emphasize that gender mainstreaming is not only just something that is a nice to have, but very paramount in how the sector transforms.
We were firstly greeted by the smiling faces of Urban Earth as well as GIZ. There was a slight meet and greet. And as you came in, all you saw were the posters on the side of the building, on the walls, just highlighting the different interaction points in terms of the activities that will be done throughout the day. Our first point thereafter was a greeting, as well as an overview in terms of where NERSA stands in terms of the benchmarking in gender mainstreaming. The workshop was sponsored by GIZ, and the conductors of the workshop, Urban Earth, was done as an organization that has been outsourced by GIZ to be able to do the exercises, the workshop, as well as the benchmarking exercises the past few months. And today, they've been part of the conversation as well in terms of some of the exercises that we have done, simply because we have been in conversation with GIZ in terms of gender mainstreaming for the past 2 years. So today literally just is able to pull everything together and allow the project to formally close and figure out a way forward for NERSA.